Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. In a small baking dish, add the tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt, and then mix together. In a separate small bowl, mix together bread pieces and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then you're going to add the bread pieces to a parchment paper lined baking sheet in an even layer. Transfer the tomatoes and bread to the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping the croutons halfway through. Once the croutons are golden and crispy, remove them from the oven. Turn the oven up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake the tomatoes for an additional 15 to 20 minutes or until soft and wrinkly. While everything is baking, marinate your shallots by adding shallots, red wine vinegar, and oregano into a bowl. Mix until everything is coated in vinegar and set aside. Prepare your soft-boiled eggs by bringing a small pot of water to a boil. Gently add the eggs and set your timer for 6.5 minutes. Prepare a small bowl with ice water, and when your eggs are done cooking, immediately submerge them in ice water to cool. Let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes, peel carefully, and then cut into quarters. Add kale to a medium bowl, drizzle with olive oil, and add a pinch of salt. Massage the kale with your hands to soften and break down the fibers. Then you can add pecorino romano or grated Parmesan and toss together. To make the dill vinaigrette, you're going to whisk together Dijon mustard, garlic, honey, dill, olive oil, champagne vinegar, and salt. Drizzle the dill vinaigrette onto your kale and mix together. Top your salad with marinated shallots, roasted tomatoes, soft-boiled eggs, grated Parmesan, and sourdough croutons. And there you have it, a delicious kale salad with dill vinaigrette. Enjoy!